Hello traders, the title of the video is the price action versus overbought RSI trading signal. Alright my friend, so you have been trading the RSI overbought for many years, alright? And today we want to do a small demonstration, alright, to help traders to improve their technical trading using the price action and the RSI momentum oscillator, alright. When I start trading first, the general teaching that I got, alright, when, as a beginner technical trader, was that when the RSI is overbought, I should sell. When you reach the level 70, I should sell. And when it's well above 70, definitely the price will come down. All right. So I did try to trade in that fashion for years, and I lost a lot of money. All right. And many traders are doing exactly the same thing. And I come to a point when I understand that, one can buy when the RSI is overbought, or one can buy when a momentum oscillator is overbought. Then I start asking the question, what is the real meaning or the practical trading meaning of the overbought RSI? It means that the price is at a resistance level. So when the RSI is overbought, it's pointing to a resistance level. If the price breaks above that resistance level, the RSI will stay overbought again. And the price will look for the next resistance level. And if the price breaks above the next resistance level, the RSI will stay again overbought. It doesn't mean that we should sell. If it breaks above the next resistance level, the price will look for the next resistance level. But one thing we need to understand, financial instruments that are very, very, very bullish will break resistance levels. So what you will see, if a financial instrument is very, very bullish, it will continue to break resistance level as it's going up. Yes or no? So what a lot of overbought RSI traders are doing, they are fighting against very, very, very bullish financial instruments. In fact, one can scan for bullish stock by looking for RSI going above 70, because generally if the stock is becoming very, very bullish, the RSI will be in the zone above 70. That's why during the third area way, which is the best part of a trading phase, the RSI in a bullish trend will be overbought. In a downtrend, it will be oversold. Though it's oversold, one can sell. All right. So I want to explain to traders. They will say, John, you're going to repeat yourself again. I say to you, stay with us, as I'm going to demonstrate to traders the price action versus the overbought RSI trading signal. All right. So suppose you are here, all right, where the RSI did go above the level of 70 for the first time. It's pointing to add a resistance level, which is the red line here. Now look at the price action. Look at that red line here. You see, this is about the RSI is telling us we are at a resistance level. A lot of people are trying to sell. As you can see, the shadow on top of each of those candles as the price is at the red resistance level. People did sell it here, coming here. People can sell. All right, RSI is overbought. But the price, you can see, it breaks above that resistance level. Whenever a financial instrument, all right, breaks above a resistance level, it means that that financial instrument is becoming very bullish. The next question that we must ask, is there a price target level or other resistance level or other hidden resistance level? But the most important thing we need to pay attention to is the price. Is the price showing a weakness? So I'll leave it to you now. Look at those two candles, this one and this one. We are in the zone of that resistance level, and the RSI is overbought. All right, talking about RSI overbought a trading signal and the price action trading signal. Look at the candlestick bar here. Are they looking bearish? Look at the body of the first one. The body of the first one is smaller than the second one, which means we have increase in bullish momentum. Looking at the price action is not showing much weaknesses, though there were sellers here. If you look carefully at this candlestick bar also, I'm on a monthly chart, and the financial instrument that we are analyzing is Boeing. Boeing is a market leader for the Dow 30, Epic BA, all right, Bravo Alpha, all right, Boeing, you fly, Boeing, 707, all right. So here it is. So the price action, okay, we are here. Okay, let me put a spot there so I don't get lost. Price action is not showing a strong weakness because even the second candlestick bar did close above its median line. So traders that are following us, all right, at Dayprotraders know about how to analyze a candlestick bar. Or if you are not sure, go to www.dayprotraders.com, click on candlestick bars. This candlestick bar did close above its median line. The range, the price did close above the median line. It is bullish. If you compare the body of that candlestick bar and this one, is bullish. Again, talking about the price action and the overbought RSI, if one wants to sell here, one should use a top-down trading method, or to sell here. So the price action is not encouraging us to sell, though the RSI is overbought. If you were selling, you were just selling without using the top-down trading method, without any other consideration, just because the RSI is overbought, and you translate that as a sell signal, you are fighting against a bullish price progression. So how can we avoid that mistake? Is that when the RSI is overbought, wait for the price action to confirm the signal. So RSI signal saying RSI overbought, you interpret it as a sell signal, do not sell yet. Look at the price action, compare the price action to the overbought RSI trading signal. Give precedence to the price action trading signal. Here, there was no good reason looking at the price action to sell. So there is no validation of the overbought RSI trading signal at that point in time. My friend, all right? In fact, we were here. So there was even this, you see, if you project this, in fact, we were here. Oops, in fact, here. So you see, it's a tall candlestick bar. Okay. Pew, tall candlestick bar brought it above it. People tried to sell it here. There was a bit of weakness, but not much. So again, if you look at this candlestick bar, talking about the price action, how to analyze a candlestick bar like a pro. Check out that video by Dayprotraders YouTube channel, or go to www.dayprotraders.com, click on candlestick bar and read that article in full. So if you draw the high, the low, and the median line of this one, you can see that bearish candlestick bar did not go below the median line of that bullish candlestick bar. In fact, it's a retest of the median line of this candlestick bar. So that pullback that you see here is a retest. If you look at my tiny orange rising channel, the price did not come out of that tiny rising channel either. So talking about the overbought RSI trading signal and the price action, my friend, we cannot sell yet. You look at the price again, okay? So that candlestick bar that you see here, that's quite bullish. That median line is very important for us. It failed to go below it, and we will use that as a measuring stick, as a warning line. So we will say, if it doesn't go below that warning line, okay, let's call it, if it doesn't go below that orange line, I won't sell it. See, second candlestick bar got a tail, didn't come here. You see, it came to the opening price of the second candlestick bar here. All right, this one here, the tail. I want it to go back up. And here it is. Why this candlestick bar is tall like this? You see, I haven't finished my demonstration yet, so don't stop watching this video because there are more to this apart from the candlestick bar. This candlestick bar is telling us that those who were selling falsely because they say, oh, the RSI is now at 86. Oh, look, now it's at 90. Oh, it's definitely overbought. This is a RSI bearish signal for a lot of technical traders that are misusing the RSI oscillator or who do not understand the overbought RSI. They are kicked out of their bearish trade. That's why this candlestick bar is very long. The smart money is pushing the price to a specific target level. And I will demonstrate to you now why we have all this long candlestick bar here. There was one recently. See this one? Why this one? The smart money want to bring the price to a target level. And they kick people. People were selling here. They push them out. Now let me show you what is happening clearly here. If you pay attention to my pitchfork tool, see, there is a pitchfork tool here. This point, first point, price go from A to B and pull back. Here it is. These 3 points. 1, 2, 3. We have our pitchfork tool. Can you see the brown pitchfork tool? If you use the width of that pitchfork tool, you can understand what is happening here. At the time when the RSI is well overbought, even went to 98, but the price is not having any of it. You see, at the time here, at this point in time, the RSI was at 98 before we have that low candlestick bar. So a lot of technical traders, old-fashioned RSI traders that didn't bother to subscribe to Dayprotraders, all right, this to have fun of them a bit, all right. We are not mocking them. We can have a bit of fun, okay? Technical trader who didn't bother to subscribe to Dayprotraders YouTube channel get caught with the same mistake, all the mistake. Here it is. They will kick them out again. Here they will kick out. The price action is more important than the overbought RSI. But if we start a demonstration that I'm telling you now using market geometry, when we are talking about market geometry, we are talking about the price action. All right? So we're going to project, this is market geometry, the projection of the pitchfork tool in the direction of the price with the width of the first pitchfork tool. We draw a line that is parallel to the pitchfork tool for traders that are very new to the topic of market geometry. Check out our playlist about market geometry by Dayprotraders YouTube channel. Watch it only on Dayprotraders YouTube channel. You can quote me on that, all right? All right? So you make sure it's parallel, all right? You do this kind of exercise, make sure it's parallel without cheating, all right? So here it is. That's the first projection of our pitchfork tool. Okay, now color it also into brownish. Okay, here it is. That's the top of our first projection. What has happened there? Look where the RSI was. The RSI is here. Okay, at 98. And the price was piercing through our projected pitchfork tool. You see here? See, this is our projected pitchfork tool using market geometry. The price was there. It pierced through it. Do you want to sell there because the RSI is overbought at 98? How do we avoid that mistake? You will compare the price action to the overbought RSI. Like I showed you at the beginning, is the price looking okay? Is the price exhibiting a weakness? No. Look at that. Bullish tall candlestick bar. It's like a barrel of oil, a big one, big bullish barrel. Here it is. Right, this is very bullish. This candlestick bar, very bullish. They bring it all the way up here. People sold it down, but it managed to close bullishly. Look at that. It opened above, okay, the closing price of this one, and it went up. People sold it, but it managed to close again higher in comparison to close above the opening price. Bullish. And then again, boom, boom. Now you are here. You want to sell again here because the RSI is overbought. Compare the price action trading signal to the RSI overbought trading signal. The price is not even showing any sign of weakness. Do you see any bearish candlestick pattern here? No. This one plus this one is bullish. Okay, candlestick pattern. All right, it's not bearish. And this one also. All right, we know what's happening. A bullish, look at that. A very tiny, they couldn't push it that much. Look at that. Pay attention to this tiny, if you extend this line, you see that channel, that tiny channel, you see? Yeah, this one was tying the tail, retest, you see? So, anytime you see the RSI is overbought, think of it like a very, very bullish. Just say it's quite challenging to sell. Look for price target level. Use market geometry. All right? The price action trading signal must validate the overbought RSI trading signal. This is about the price action versus the overbought RSI trading signal. But now, why is it going down now here? Now it's looking bearish, isn't it? So, price where you see this doji, this hammer plus a bearish candlestick bar, it's a bearish candlestick pattern. Why is it looking bearish here? Let's project that channel one more time. You remember? Our pitchfork tool, we measure the width, we project it up. We have that line there. And again, the price breaks above it, we project it again. Bringing us again, we draw a line that is parallel to our first pitchfork tool. Without cheating, okay? Without cheating, we make sure it's truly parallel to that, okay? Something like that, you see? So, this is the first projection. Look at the second projection. I need to remind traders that if you project the pitchfork tool twice, very often the price usually change direction after the second projection. But it doesn't mean that definitely it will change direction. But most stocks that are not very dynamically bullish, what I like to call the bullish cow, okay, the bullish cow can go above the second projection. But most stocks after the second projection usually get weak, all right? They struggle a bit. They're out of breath. They can't run very fast as Mr. Bolt, all right? Okay, here it is, all right? So at the second projection, which is a target level, all right, the RSI in the zone of 98, still 98. Now the price is showing weaknesses. So the RSI is overbought, pointing to as a resistance level. Which one? The edge of our second projection. Remember? All right. So RSI was overbought, pointing to us multiple resistance level because the price is breaking resistance after resistance after resistance after resistance, telling us that when the RSI is overbought and the price is breaking resistances, all right, it means that the bullish momentum is increasing. We must compare the price action trading signal to the overbought RSI trading signal and look for, okay, a good reason why we should sell. And that good reason will be the price action itself. Now, the RSI is overbought on the edge at a resistance level. We will ask a question, is there another better resistance level? So this is it. Those are the verifications. Is there a better resistance level? Is there a hidden resistance level? Is there a price target level? This is the price target on the edge there. Now we see a weakness. I'll say, all right. You see? So the smart money from day one, in fact, area way trader will be laughing at this, those who are counting well. All right. So from day one, the smart money want to bring the price here. The target level. Price is always headed to a target level. It's not by chance or by hazard that the price did stop here. It's a target, the projection of that pitchfork tool. The pitchfork tool, okay, allow trader to determine the possible path that the price is likely to take. So the possible path is confined within the boundaries of the pitchfork tool. Now, if he breaks above it, we must project the pitchfork tool in the direction of the price each time. And bullish stock will break resistance level. At that time, when the price breaks in many resistance level, the RSI is firing bearish trading signal. But now, we must compare the price action to the overbought RSI trading signal. Have I managed to brainwash you as an RSI trader today? If I did, then I'm a happy YouTuber today. This to make you laugh a bit. All right, so those are the things you need to pay attention to so you don't fall into the same trap over and over. People are doing it here, they did it also. RSI overbought, price was going up. All right, so you don't want to fall into that trap, knowing that when RSI is overbought, the price is very, very bullish, unless the price starts showing weaknesses. All right? If this video has been truly useful to you as a technical trader or RSI trader, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that, George, well, I didn't learn anything new, I know all this before, you said it before, you are repeating yourself, I'm not impressed, okay, mark it down. All right. If you think that this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel today. And make sure you click on the notification icon so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So this will conclude our discussion today about the price action versus overbought RSI trading signal. Your comment, your suggestion are very important to us and allow us to keep the communication going on YouTube. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about combining RSI oscillator and pitchfork tool. Oh, this is not this. Correction. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about the price action versus overbought RSI trading signal, comparing the overbought RSI trading signal to the price action trading signal. Happy to meet you all, and I will speak to you soon. I think I'm getting tired now, so I recorded a few videos today, so this will wrap up the day today. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.